All right, so we have a 48,000 original mile stock trim Jeep. The 16?
Yeah.
What junk? The question, would it actually save the planetary gear set in the non-limited slip rear end, the open end, by changing the gear fluid earlier? I mean, you can see how cooked the fluid is. So this should have been done at 30,000 or less, because at 30,000 it was probably already tearing the gears up. You can see they're chipped. Or is it really a quality issue with the gears? What junk. So now this thing needs axles because they're leaking. Axles on both sides, and the planetary set is shot under 50,000 miles. And then this customer specifically does not off-road this car. This isn't their only vehicle.
Well, this is stock suspension, stock tires,
stock vehicle, and they keep up on the maintenance. What crap!
All right, so I know what.
So a lot of people call that the spider gear set. I'm going to tell you, it's the open end gear set inside the differential. I call them planetaries because that's basically what it is. So yeah, so tell Rachel it's going to need.
It's not the main pinion. That's all I know.
It's crazy. It's just completely crazy that this damage is going on inside this Jeep already.
I mean, I did axle seals on mine at 1,000.
Crazy.
And it looked the same way.
Crap. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.